Rahul, and I take care of the post-production department in Mac. And today we'll see the process of camera projection in compositing application.
Camera projection is a process where a 2D image captured with a camera is projected through a virtual camera to a set created in any 3D application. This process gives the exact result which can be captured through a camera on real locations. The advantage of this process is that it gives a final result with parallax and it appears like a real-world camera footage.
That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you want to learn more stuff like this, then please visit www.macindia.com and fill up the inquiry form. A Mac counselor will get in touch with you. Thank you.